Hi students, today we are going to take a new chapter, chapter 3 addition. You are already aware about this topic addition in your previous classes. Now I am going to tell more about addition. There are two types of addition. Addition without carryover and second is addition with carryover. First is addition without carryover and second is addition with carryover. First I will explain addition without carryover. I will explain with the help of some example. First example, consider the number add 2346 and 1233. First problem, adding the two numbers 2346 and 1233. First we identify the places of these digits, that is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Here ones, tens, hundred, thousand. First of all, we write these numbers. That means we are arranging these numbers into the columns. First we write the places of these digits, that is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Then next we want to write the numbers. First number is 2346. So we write 6 in ones place value. So write 6 and 4 in tens place value. Then 3 is in hundreds place value and last 2 is in thousand place value. Then put the adding sign, that means plus. The next number 1233. So we write 3 in ones place, again 3 in tens place, then 2 in hundreds place and 1 is thousand place. We are adding these numbers 6 plus 3. That means first we are adding ones place value. 6 plus 3 equal 9. The next is we are adding tens place value. That is 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 equal 7. Next we are adding 3 plus 2. That means hundreds place values. So 3 plus 2 equal 5. Then last is thousand place values. That is 2 and 1. 2 plus 1 equal 3. Now we got the answer 3579. Okay, first we are adding ones place value, second adding tens place values, third adding hundreds place value and last adding thousand place value. These two numbers, that means adding two numbers is known as addends. We are taking the adding of two numbers is known as addends and the result of the answer known as sum. We are taking the two numbers is known as addends and its result is known as the sum. So this is the first example of addition without carryover. Once again I explain, consider the number 2346 and 1233. First we write the places of this digit, that means ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Then first number we are writing 6 in ones place value, 4 in tens place, 3 in hundreds place and 2 in thousands place. Next we are taking 1233. Then write 3 in ones place and 3 in tens place, 2 in hundreds place and last 1 in thousands place. Then we are adding these numbers. First we are adding the ones place value, that is 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 equal 9. Then writing 9. The next we are adding tens place value, that is 4 and 3. 4 plus 3 equal 7. Next we are adding hundreds place values, that is 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 equal 5. And last we are adding the thousands place, that is 2 and 1. 2 plus 1 equal 3. We are taking the adding of these two numbers is known as addends. It is a new term. We are taking the two numbers adding is known as addends. Then its result is known as sum. Its result is known as sum. Okay. Consider another example. Take the number, find the sum of 4231 and 3524. Find the sum of 4231 and 3524. First we write the place values of this digit, that is the places of this digit are ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Next we are writing here ones, tens, hundred and thousand. First we write these places, that is ones, tens, hundred, then thousand. Then here ones place value is 1, then tens place 3, then hundreds place 2 and last thousand place 4. Then putting the plus sign, then next number 4 in ones place and 2 in tens place, 5 in hundreds place and last 3 in thousand place. We are adding these two numbers, that is 1 plus 4, that means ones place value. First we are adding which place value? First we are adding ones place value. So adding this number 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4 equal 5, then 3 plus 2 equal 5. Then 5 plus 2 equals 7 and also 4 plus 3 equal 7. Now we got the answer 7755. Then adding these two numbers is known as addends. Adding of these two numbers is known as addends and its result is known as sum. Okay, first then once more I explain this problem. There is sum of the 4234 and 3554. First we write the places of this digit ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Then we write the ones place value. Here ones place value is 1, then tens place value 3, hundreds place value 2 and last thousand place value is 4. Next we are taking the another number, that is 3524. First we write the ones place value. Here ones place value is 4, then tens place 2, hundreds place 5 and last thousand place value is 3. We are adding both the numbers, that first we are adding ones place value, not adding thousands place value. Remember, first we are adding the ones place value. That means 1 plus 4 equal 5. Then after ones place value, we are adding tens place value, that is 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 equal 5. Then we are adding hundreds place value, that is 2 and 5. Then 2 plus 5 equal 7. Then last we are adding the thousands place value, that means 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 equal 7. Adding the two numbers is known as addends and its result is known as sum. Okay. Our second heading is addition with the carryover. I will explain with the help of some example. Consider the first example. Add 23,489 and 47,324. Again first we write the places of these digits, that is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, then 10,000. Here also ones, tens, hundred, thousand and last is 10,000. Then find out the answer. First we have to write the places of this digit ones, tens, hundred, thousand, then last place is 10,000. Then we are writing the values, that is 9 in ones place, 8 in tens place, 4 in hundreds place, 3 in thousands place and last 2 in 10,000 place. Then adding plus sign. Then here first number is 4, 4 in ones place, then second number is 2 tens place, 3 in hundreds place, 7 in thousand place and last 4 is in 10,000 place. Okay, then we are adding these numbers, that is 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 equal 13. Then we write 3 and put 1 balance here. Then first we are adding 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 equal 9. Then adding 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 equal 11. Then 1 balance. Then adding 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 equal 5. 5 plus 3 equal 8. Next we are adding 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 equal 10. Then write 0, 1 balance. Then 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 equal 3. 3 plus 4 equal 7. That is our answer. First we are adding 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 equal 13. Then write 3. 9 plus 4 equal 13. Then we write ones place value. That is 3 here. And this number is putting as a balance. Then write 8 plus 1 equal 9. 9 plus 2 equal 11. Again get the two numbers 11. Then write number 1 here. This number is the balance number. So put balance here. Then 4 plus 1 equal 5. 5 plus 3 equal 8. Then write 8. Next is 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 equal 10. So we write 0 here, and this number is the balance. So we write 1 here. Then 2 plus 1 equal 3, and 3 plus 4 equal 7. Now we get the answer as 70,813. This section is known as, we are using the adding of these two numbers is known as addends, and its result is known as sum. Once again explain, add 23,489 and 47,324. First we write the places of this digit, that is ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Then writing the numbers 9 in ones place, 8 in tens place, 4 in hundreds place, 3 in thousand place and 2 is in 10,000 place. Then consider the another number, that is 4 in ones place, 2 in tens place, 3 in hundreds place, 7 in thousand place and last to 4 in 10,000 place. We are adding both these numbers, that is 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 equal 13. We write the number 3 and 1 balance here, and adding 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 equal 9, and then 9 plus 2 equal 11. Then write 1 here and 1 balance here. Then 4 plus 1 equal 5. 5 plus 3 equal 8. Then write 8. Then next number 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 equal 10. Then write 0 and 1 balance here. Then 2 plus 1 equal 3 and 3 plus 4 equal 7. So we get the answer as 70,830. And adding these two numbers, its name is addends, and our answer, that is the result, is known as sum. Then 70,813 is sum. Okay. Consider another example. 4,29,384 and 72,689. First we write the places of these digits, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and last is lakh. Then here ones, tens, 100, 1,000 then 10,000. First we write the places of these digits, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. First we are taking the first value, here 4 in ones place, 8 in tens place, 3 in hundreds place, 9 in thousands place, 2 in 10,000 place and 4 in lakh place. Then put plus sign. Next we are taking the second number, that is 72,689. First write 9 in ones place, 8 in tens place, 6 in hundreds place, 2 in thousands place and last is 7 in 10,000 place. There is the vacant value here, there is no value for lakh. So the last position is here, the second number is 10,000. Then we are adding these two numbers, that is 9 plus 4 equal 13, then 3, 1 balance, 8 plus 1 equal 9, then 9 plus 8 equal 17, then write 7, 1 balance, then 3 plus 1 equal 4, then 4 plus 6 equal 10, then write 0 and 1 balance, then 9 plus 1 equal 10, 10 plus 2 equal 12, then 2, 1 balance, then 2 plus 1 equal 3 and 3 plus 7 equal 10, 0, then 1 balance, 4 plus 1 equal 5. Now we get the answer as 5,02,073. Adding these two numbers is known as addends, and its result is known as sum. Once again I explain the problem. Our question is 4,29,384 and 72,689. First we write the places of these digits, that is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Then write the first number, that is 4,29,384. 4 in ones place, 8 in tens place, 3 in hundreds place, 9 in thousand place, 2 in 10,000 place and 4 is in lakh place. Then second number is 72,689. Then write 9 in ones place, 8 in tens place, 6 in hundreds place, 2 in thousands place, and last 7 is in 10,000 place. Here there is no value for lakh, so there is a vacant place. Then adding these two numbers, ones place value. First we are adding ones place value, that is 4 plus 9 equal 13. Then write 3, 1 balance, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 8 17. Then write 7, 1 balance, then 3 plus 1 equal 4, 4 plus 6 equal 10, then write 0, 1 balance, 9 plus 1 equal 10, then 10 plus 2 equal 12, then write 2 and 1 balance, 2 plus 1 equal 3, 3 plus 7 equal 10, then 0, 1 balance, last is 4 plus 1 equal 5. Now we get the answer as 5,02,073. We are taking the adding of these two numbers is known as addends and its result is known as sum. So now we are studying about the two topic, addition without carryover and addition with carryover. It is a very simple topic. Then only one thing you remember, that adding the two numbers is known as the name addends and its result is known as sum. And another thing is that write the numbers neatly according to their correct place values and also avoid the mistake for writing the numbers. So let us wind up our class. We will meet with another topic. Children, take care. Bye. Thank you.